A daylight theft shocked Honkeri village, which comes under Konnale Gram Panchayat in Sagara taluk. The incident happened during the day when a farmer's house was locked as no one was at home. The farmer had recently sold jaggery grown on his land and had kept 50,000 cash at his house. Along with the cash, gold ornaments and other valuables were also kept inside. Taking advantage of the empty house, the thief broke open a window and the door to enter. Inside the house, he smashed a cupboard and collected the cash and jewellery. He then tried to escape quietly from the area. However, the alert villagers noticed suspicious movement around the house, sensing something is wrong. They immediately became cautious and raised an alarm. Several villagers chased the suspect as he attempted to flee with the stolen items. With quick thinking and courage, the villagers surrounded the thief and caught him on the spot. The stolen cash and jewellery were recovered. Later, the villagers handed the accused over to the Sagar Rural Police. The police registered a case and began further investigation into the incident. Though the theft created fear in the village, the alertness and unity of the villagers helped stop the crime. Residents have now urged authorities to strengthen security measures so that such incidents do not happen again. This incident stands as a strong example of how community vigilance can help prevent crime and protect local households.